Hey y'all, it's your girl Lavina. How y'all doing? We are going to work today, you guys. I showed up at the dentist at 7 a.m. for my emergency walk-in, sat for like 2 hours, and got an appointment, y'all, for 3. So we're going to go ahead and work a little bit before I go through this pain, honey child. Okay, y'all. So let's go on. We got our first order of today. We got Hardee's going 3 miles for $7.50. Let's go get it. Y'all know I have not been to Hardee's in forever. I used to work at Hardee's, y'all, when I was 15 years old. Maybe I know that was back in the day. Okay, y'all, let's go deliver this order. I didn't even remember the name, but we're on our way to the customer. This gonna be the customer, y'all. Let's go. Y'all, I'm so sorry. We delivered to Kelly. Okay, y'all, let's go see if we can get some more money. Hey, y'all, so we got our second order. We're going into Target for 6 items, going 2 miles for $7.25. Y'all, we don't even have a goal today. I'm just out here working into my dentist appointment, and I said, why not? Why not share it? Let's go to work. Let me go to work with y'all. You know what I mean? You feel me? You feel me? All right, y'all, let's go in this Target and shop for Casey order. We got the goods, y'all. Okay, y'all, we've got Casey's order, and we are on the way to her house. It shouldn't take us no more than 7 minutes, I'm assuming. All right, see y'all there. Y'all, we here at Home to Home Sweets. Let's go take Casey her stuff. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, we got Casey all delivered. Now we're gonna go back to Target area and see what all we can, see if we can get something else, y'all. I feel good about it. I might as well make a little money because I might not be able to work tomorrow. So I see y'all when we get to Target, y'all. another batch. Well, it's a stacked order. It's $13.50 going to McAllister's right here and to Chick-fil-A going 5 miles, you guys. I think that's a good batch. And plus, it's not really that popping right now. But I'm making it do what it do. So see y'all when we get this order. Y'all, let's go to Chick-fil-A. Y'all, I'm so mad. We gonna see in the end what it even is. I don't know how I ended up losing the Chick-fil-A order with this. So let's go and drop off Mariah's order. Alright, y'all, see y'all in Mariah. Actually, it worked out. So second order, that Chick-fil-A order was just a free delivery for me. You know what I mean? They must have just added it to get these people their food. But I guess God said, no, you're going to tap this button. And I didn't do it intentionally, y'all. So this was the whole order. This paid $13.50 by itself, and we only went 2 miles. So I would have had to go to that Chick-fil-A and drop them off for 4 free miles. Good job, bye. All right, y'all. See y'all at the next delivery. Bye. Hey y'all, we ended up back at Chick-fil-A anyway. We got to go in here and pick up Michelle's order. And it's $6.50 going 2 miles. Let's go. We got the goods, y'all. Let's go deliver their food. Michelle's, y'all. Let's go take her food. Thank you for your business. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to come and show my face and work with y'all and spend a little time with y'all today. But I'm going to do the rest by myself. It's pretty slow out here, and then I got to head to the dentist anyway, y'all. Okay, hey y'all, I finally made it to the dentist office, but we did make about $60, you know, today on those couple of hours ride. And it was okay, you know, because I didn't even expect to be working at all, y'all. So I'm so happy that y'all was able to spend a little time with me, like I said on the previous you know, little clip. It is hot. But you guys, this dental office that I found, hopefully I can become a patient here. Right now they don't even have any openings, but I'm definitely hoping that it all works out in my favor. But you know, that's one thing about gig work. It gives me the opportunity to be open for if they say, come on girl, and I'm like, okay. So that's one of the upsides of gig work, and some people might not think it's worth it, but me, I feel like, you know, the entrepreneur in me, I'd rather do this for right now than, you know, work a regular 9 to 5. And it's not for everybody, but I kind of like, you know, I kind of like the availability of being able to do what I want to do. You know what I mean? And if you work hard enough and you spend some time out here, you can make a decent living. It's DoorDashers that make $2,000 every week, honey, but they working like 12 hours a day. But you know what I mean? I'm not I'm not gonna do that. You know what I mean? Because I'm a wife and a mom. But if I wanted to, I could, honey. If I just say, hey, look, mom about to be on this grind and blah blah blah, and this is what it is, then I possibly can make near that as well, especially in my market. Now I'm in Central Florida, so we have Disney World. That's why, I had left somebody had left me a comment saying it seemed like I'm driving more miles than noted. First off, I never noted anything. I tell y'all how many minutes it's gonna take me or how many miles. Now I say where the trash order is. I'll be the first to say it. Sometimes I take them because that's just what it is, especially if it's slow or if my acceptance rating is low. Then I do what I gotta do, and if it works for me, it might not work for everybody else. You know what I mean? But I just wanted to share that with y'all. And y'all, I hate the dentist. Let me be the first to say it. So that's probably why I'm a little nervous. You know what I mean? But it's gonna be all right. I'm a big girl. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye bye.